So good afternoon everyone, I am Citron Junior Valdevesa. Today I will show you the examples of Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio in nature using flowers and leaves I found nearby. So this is the things that I found nearby, which is ano lang sila. So before taana, let me tell you something about Fibonacci sequence. It is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. So this works like this: 0 plus 1 equals 1. Then the sum of the number you've added, you have to add it again to the previous number, which is 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 plus 2 equals 5, then 5 plus 3 equals 8, and so on and so forth. This sequence was introduced by an Italian mathematician, Leonardo Fibonacci, in the 13th century. It appears in nature, art, and architecture because it reflects patterns of growth and beauty. So, our first example here is the milliones. So, as you can see, and you can observe in the flower, this is kanang patubo pa siya. As you can see, there's our circle spirals like that. You can see it clearly. Let me check it. Like that. As you can see here, that is the spiral. So this is not randomly, ha. According to my research nga, dili daw ni siya random nga exist lang diha nga diha ibot ang petals kanang ina circle. This is not randomly, ho. But nag-apply ni siya og mathematics, which is ang Fibonacci sequence. So kung modako na siya magka-spiral, then maabot siya ingani. So ingani din siya kadako niya. And then we have the santan flower. So it has 5 petals, which is here, upat lang siya sa kung nakita. Fibonacci also occurs in this one because sequence man siya nga symmetry ba, nga dapat ang petals is parehas po sa other sides, like that. And it has the balance with structural stability. And next we have the guava leaves. So how the trees grow. As you can see, there's a sequence here. So let's say for example this is the stem. So muna siyang stem. So the first leaf muna siya ang 1. Sequence niya. Tapos pagkaduha na dayon po niya is ang 2, which is kanina dayon kana. Then so on and so forth. Then kaniya hantod nga maabot siya niya kaniyang part sayang branch nga nagingani na siya. And then hantod nga bodako na siya. So not just this, as you can see the leaves here nga ingani ang mga patterns sa leaf, which is para sa ato perfect kayo. This is because of the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio sa Fibonacci sequence, which is the value, ang value sa Fibonacci, the golden ratio is 1.6. Actually there are a lot more, as you can see, mga Fibonacci sequence na Fibonacci sequence na nag-apply because everything in the nature or around us has Fibonacci sequence. So that's all. Thank you and goodbye.